Hey guys, it is late Sunday night and I'm about to take a Lush bath. I've got my butterball, my bathtub's all ready with candles. It's so nice. And I'm about to do this face mask. So this is a Baby Pet Magic Mask Sheet in Vitality Panda. And this is Holika Holika. This is the one I got from my package from my friend and subscriber on here. It was so sweet. So I can't wait to try this out. Let's go ahead and pop that in the water there. The butterball is one of my absolute favorites, so this is going to be amazing. And I already put just a little bit of coconut oil bath salts and a little maracuja oil too, so it's a really good mixture. And I've got to show you guys too my little setup. This is so relaxing and it's one of my absolute favorite things to do. So that's what my Sunday night looks like, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday. Is that right? Tuesday the 16th. I'm getting ready for work. I'm running behind, but today it is snowing in Alabama, which if you're not familiar, the South does not get a lot of snow. So generally we get into this predicament where we don't have salt trucks and snow plows, but today really the problem is ice. So with no salt trucks in this area, like if there's ice on the road, I mean, if you can't drive, it's just a standstill. There's nothing to help really. And all the schools in my area have already closed. But for us, it's basically like until there's a necessity, we're open. I'm supposed to be there at 9. I'm trying out the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. Oh my god, the coverage of this, you guys. Guys, it is Wednesday. Have I not vlogged since Sunday night? I just filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing and I filmed a review of the Clarisonic foundation brush head. I have these two little envelopes. In one, I've got an extra Clarisonic foundation brush head, and in the other, I've got one of the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencils, the Brow Power. So each one of those videos has a little giveaway in it. By the time you guys see this vlog, both of those will be up. So definitely, if you have not seen those videos, go over, check them out, watch the videos, and then you can see how to win those. So kind of like mini giveaways. I'm not going to be like making a huge deal of them, but I definitely want you guys to know that they are there, especially you guys watching my vlog, because I know you guys are like my biggest supporters, so I love you guys. Want to make sure you know about those. I also have, this is my giveaway bin, and it is like growing and growing. Everything else will be for my next big giveaway, and I'm just sitting those in there for now. So this is literally like getting too heavy to pick up with one hand. So basically with all the snow, I'm not working today, and then I had a long weekend planned already for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I actually have 5 days off in a row. So today I'm filming a few videos. Tomorrow I'm just gonna be super relaxed. So if I don't vlog tomorrow, if I do no vlogging tomorrow, that's simply because I'm doing nothing but relaxing. The next day or two though, I will be doing a lot of organizing in my vanity room. I'd love to find some more containers, so I may hit up a couple more Dollar Trees and see if I can find those like compact organizers, because I'd love to have those. But that's what's going on. I'm about to film my candle collection as well. That will probably be up after this video, so be on the lookout. Make sure you have notifications on if you want to see that video, because I know it's kind of crazy right now. Like if you don't have notifications on, there's a good chance you may not even see when I upload. That's it for right now, and I will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, it is Friday the 19th. As you can see, I am really relaxed. My hair looks a mess, but I put a little bit of makeup on. I wanted something just really natural because today I should be able to film my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxings. They were actually supposed to be here yesterday, and I know there was like weather affecting this area because when the South gets snow, like we don't have salt trucks and all that good stuff, so it messes things up. But it said my area wasn't affected. It really wasn't bad here, but maybe like one day, and it said all day that it was going to be here. And then this morning, like in the wee hours, it updated and said it was today. I'm like, obviously it's today, when it's not even like in my state until like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night. I just don't know. Usually it updates really well. I will talk to you guys in a little while, and yeah, I can't wait to film my videos. Hey guys, this is my little bath setup. I'm getting ready for another
bath. It's so late at night. This is probably horrible lighting, but it's really late. It's like 12, almost 12:30 now. It has been a little bit of a stressful day. I just feel like I wasted a lot of my day, so that bugs me. But I was waiting on my lucky bags basically all day, and I guess like the snow in our area made them really backed up for UPS. So I didn't get my packages until like 9:30. It was literally 9:34. And at that point, like I had been waiting to film the videos. So I was like ready to do it and kind of just like relaxed, which I mean, that's not the worst thing. And then when I went to like import the videos onto my MacBook, I started having some problems, and apparently there is some issue since the update, and like I had to jump through so many hoops just to get my files onto my computer. It was so annoying, and usually it's so easy. It was just like stressful, and for whatever reason my little anxiety was just like way overwrought. I was like, oh my god, and it just seemed like everything was working against me. So those videos will be up tomorrow. You'll still see them before this vlog, so I'm gonna have videos like back to back for a few days, but that's okay. I've got a couple giveaways going on right now, so be sure to check those out. My BoxyCharm unboxing and my Clarisonic foundation brush head review both have giveaways on them, so definitely check it out below. I will link those, of course, for you guys, and the giveaways too, but you have to like watch the videos to enter the giveaway, so I'll link everything below. So that's been my Friday. I need to do some like errands tomorrow. What's up, Tina? Baby. She's sitting here with me, so pretty. So I need to do some errands tomorrow because I've really not gotten anything done, and I still want to organize my vanity room. And it feels like these like 5 days I've had off are just like flying by. Like I don't know where my time is going. I'm gonna take a bath, just kind of like relax so I can go right to sleep, and hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So I hope you guys are doing great, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Sunday? No, Saturday. Whoops, it's Saturday. We are at Chipotle. It's behind me. Can you see it? Probably not. Anyway, it's somewhere behind me. Zach went in to get us to, I'm getting a burrito. I've been wanting Chipotle so bad. So we're actually like in this area where we are now. It's close to where we used to live, and there's a ton of Pokestops. I don't know, like recently I've gotten back on Pokemon for some reason, and I don't know. I've just been enjoying it, so that's what we're doing. Just been trying to relax and see if I can get completely over my cold, because it feels like it's just like lingering just a little bit. But I'm pretty much all better now as I need to cough. So that's pretty much it. That's what we're gonna do. I'm excited about my burrito. I'm getting a veggie, lots of guacamole, sour cream, and I'm so excited about it. So that's what I'm having. So I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you enjoyed the Lucky Bag, I couldn't think of it. The Lucky Bag unboxings, I did those two, so I put those both up today. I've got a lot of videos this week, so that's been good. And make sure to check out my giveaways if you haven't already, because I think I talked about it, but I'm not 100% sure. So my BoxyCharm video and my Clarisonic foundation brush head video, they both have giveaways on them. So definitely check that out so you don't miss it. And I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow. Hey guys, we are back home, and we wound up stopping by TJ Maxx because we were going to the Target. So I got these pajama pants, and let me say, actually, my boyfriend bought all of this. He was very sweet. We haven't done any shopping lately, and with my no buy, I still was like, you know, seeing what they had. They actually had Anastasia glow kits, the like new Anastasia blush kit. They had so many good things. A lot of it I already had, and I thought about buying some for giveaways, but I'm on a makeup no buy, so I'm going to stick with that. But definitely check out if you have TJ Maxx or Marshalls near you, because they have some really good things. But these are pajama pants. They're a long pant. They're like a really lightweight, soft material, and how adorable. I also found this little organizer. This is the perfect size for like compacts. So it kind of gives you can put different sizes. It was only $4.99, so I thought that was pretty good. And I don't have anything that has this size. I looked at Dollar Tree for the other ones and didn't find any. I got the Anastasia liquid lip, excuse me, in the shade Catnip. So this is a color I thought about buying. I've actually got to double check and be 100% sure that I don't have this. If for some reason, if I do, I'll put the brand new one in my next giveaway. And then I also got the single shadow in, this is called Denim Smoky. He also got me this, which is a little set. It's got a phone case and a coffee mug. The coffee mug says good vibes only. It's got cacti on it. So cute. Oh, I didn't even see the little tag. That's adorable. Little cactus on it to and from. And then the phone case with it is so funny. It says no problema. So I got a little llama theme going on here. But I just thought that was super cute. It was $7.99 for the set, so not too bad. A really cute little gift if you wanted to get somebody something for Valentine's Day but you didn't want to spend too much, because they had 3 different varieties. The other one I really liked it was pink with like gold little pieces of pizza, and the phone case said, "You have a piece of my heart." I'm going to strictly relax and do nothing for the rest of the night, even though there are clothes in the dryer and I need to take those out. So I'll do that, but other than that, we're just gonna chill and relax before bed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Sunday night. I'm in my vanity room floor, and this is what I'm up to. So this is my one Z palette that I have that I really neglect to ever use. I have a lot of ColourPop eyeshadows in here that I would love to pay a little bit more attention to, but some of this, like, I don't remember what it is, but that bronzer looks really old, so I'm gonna toss that. I've also decluttered some, so this is my like declutter bag of old, or like some of this is a few things that I got from Wish too that I just I'm iffy about. And then I'm gonna take this out. I'm just not gonna use this. This is like a L'Oreal Lumi. I've used it a few times. It's just really not one of my favorites. If I'm doing drugstore, I'll probably just do my Wet n Wild. I've got this, which is some kind of Benefit thing, but it's old. This bronzer, I think, is just Chocolate Soleil. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, but it looks good still. I don't know what this one is. I'm going to take this one out because I have no idea how old it is and it looks kind of beat up. These are 2 Urban Decay singles that were like samples, so I'm going to leave those right there. I've got 3 Anastasia singles, and I've got 3 Ciate singles that I'm going to put in here. And I think I'm going to depot these. Little Tarte palette, an older Smashbox trio that I just hate this little compact, and they're so small. I don't know, I might just declutter that, to be honest. And then I've got this random Too Faced single shadow. I think I got in like a mystery package, and it's a really pretty shade. I just don't pull it out because it's in this little random package. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of depotting and putting into my palette. Alright, so that's the finished product. I got the Smashbox in there, the little Too Faced. Those are the Ciates. And 3 Anastasia shadows right here. The Tarte little palette crumbled. I guess it was just kind of old, but I wasn't too upset about that, so I just decluttered it, and it wasn't going to work out, so we got rid of that. So there's my Z palette for now. I got this one off of Etsy. There's a really old video. It's like one of my very first few videos. Embarrassing, but if you want to see, I listed like who the seller was. It was a little pricey, but it was exactly what I wanted because I didn't care about a mirror. I just wanted more space and a more compact way. So this is what it looks like. It's really good quality, and she did a great job. I just can't remember it offhand, but the video, I will try to link that down below in case you want to check that one out. Don't be surprised if it sucks. Also, I was going to ask you guys, so this is my second peach palette. I got this one in gratis after buying the first one. So this one has never been swatched, but you see that shade caramelized? Like, it looks like at some point like something drug across it, or it's just some kind of imperfection. And also on Summer Yum, like, it doesn't look perfect, but I've never swatched it, and it still has the imprint of, like, you can tell a finger hasn't been in it because it's still got the imprint of the shadow, like what it looks like, perfectly fresh. So I thought at the time that I was going to keep this as a backup because I loved it so much, but honestly I haven't been using it that much as of late. It's still a good palette, but I don't feel like I need to hold on to this. So if you guys are okay with the condition of this palette, I will include this in my big giveaway that's upcoming because it's going to be a really big one. I think I'm going to try to have 3 winners. Yeah, at least 2, but maybe 3. I love giving you guys more chances to win because I feel like it's more fun than just saying, oh, I have 1 winner, you know. I want to give more than one person an opportunity. So there's that. If you want it in the giveaway, definitely leave this video a thumbs up or leave it in the comments below so I know that. And that is it. Thank you guys for sticking around. Those of you who are watching my vlogs, I really appreciate it. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Oh, Sniffles wants to say bye. Say bye, Sniffies.